Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Preferred. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails, the classic Hyundai lights, got some nice black and silver trim along this vehicle with a lovely remote start. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do get that lovely Hyundai grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a 12-volt outlet lights, can collapse your last row by just pulling those down. More hooks and doodads on either side, and you do get plenty of storage underneath with a tire mobility kit. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holder, and some storage in the door, vents, USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, got your lights, parking brake, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 44,127 kilometers. We got this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, got your modes, voice, toggle for your screen, all that jazz, volume, fave app, phone, cruise control, and we do get paddle shifters. We can go for your tire pressure and all that. We have lane centering as well. And to my right, we got a nice little phone slot, cup holders with storage below. We got our drive terrain or drive modes, auto hold, auto stop, auto start, hill, and your backup camera. We got tons of storage underneath as well, which is all pretty handy with tons of outlets for all your charging necessities. A 12-volt outlet that you can just push open. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and steering wheel, and it's all just touchscreen, so you just boop, boop, boop. And then all these are going to be buttons, hazards, volume, tune, all that jazz, engine start stop, storage on the dash, storage below with SOS services. You got personal profiles, phone protection, valet mode, vehicle diagnostics, notification, online manual setup. We're going to click into our audio where we have AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, HD radio, which is pretty nice. Gonna go back your phone and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8284, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.